Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to create a group on iPhone in Instagram. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to our Instagram and go to our DM. Click here. And here click on this icon in the upper right corner. Click here. Now click create a group chat and here enter name of our friend. For example, enter here name and click on this button. Enter second name, second friend, choose and click create chat. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.